Hi friends, so today we are going to make this cute farmhouse scale. I'm going to warn you, this project was kind of a hot mess, but in the end, I loved how it turned out, and I can't wait to share with you. Okay, so I cannot lie, I've been a little intimidated about doing this craft, guys. Jay Munee did this on her YouTube channel, and oh my gosh, it turned out gorgeous. She's done several different ones. They all turn out beautiful. Not so sure mine's gonna turn out that great, but we're just gonna see, right? Because I think that they're so cute, and she had just shown so many different ways you can do this. And I knew this was the craft when I bought this. You've seen this in a haul quite some time ago, and I've been too scared to do it. I've had everything ready, and I just didn't know exactly how I wanted to do it. Didn't know if I wanted to paint this. Didn't know if I didn't want to paint this. So many questions, right? But again, it's only a couple bucks, isn't it? So I am just going to jump in and see how it turns out. And that's the great thing about Dollar Tree crafts, guys, is you don't have very much money in them. And if it turns out bad, then you can just scrap it or do something else with it. Usually you can disassemble it, just use it for something else. So we're going to get started. I'm going to need several things, but things I'm going to start with, again, I still haven't even decided about painting it and everything, guys. I almost just kind of like it the way it is. She did, I've got that all tangled up. On her, she did like a rustic kind of look where she did some paint, and she did actually a technique where she did paint and cinnamon, and it looked like a really, really neat rust. I kind of like just the silver and black. Again, I could spray paint this black. I could do this silver. I don't know. I may end up painting this black. I don't know. Oh gosh, I see so many choices, guys. I don't know. I may end up making several of these because I love it. Anyway, and so I have this. This is from the Dollar Tree. This is just a cake pan. And this is also from the Dollar Tree. This is just one of their wire hanging baskets. I printed this just from a Google image that I found. I just Googled a scale. Okay, so now we need to get started. I'm gonna have to make some decisions because we're just jumping in. All right, here we go. Okay, I'm gonna start by cutting out my design here. Guess I should have measured it. See, we're already starting out not the greatest, right? So I think that'll be okay though. That fits better. Save yourself a step and trim it first, right? Okay. Yes. All right. There we go. Okay, I think I have decided I am going to paint this black. Now that I look at everything together, I just think that this is just too shiny. I do have some other silver, but I just think that it will look better black. So I'm going to grab my black spray paint and we'll do that. Okay, so while that is drying, I totally forgot that I actually need a hanger for it. I had bought it, I just forgot to get it out when I was doing the beginning of the video. But I'm just going to take this because I'm going to need the chains and this hook to hang the top part. So I'm just going to take this apart. It shouldn't take much to bend, I say that. And then pliers. How these things work? Oh my gosh. See, I don't even know. Okay, they pull up. Do they just, how does this, oh my gosh. I have my own pliers and I don't know where they are, of course. Like, oh Lord. Oh, okay. I don't know. Maybe they don't like spring. Anyway, we got pliers. This is a hot mess. But you know what? This is real life. This is how craft projects go. And we just go with it. Okay. All right, I don't want to break this because I am going to put it back together. Oops. I'll say that, and then I'll bend it like crazy. Gosh. Okay, that's enough. All right, so we got that off. And then I think I'll just need one of these. Oh, yes, I don't have to bend that. That's got to go. Yes. We're just going to take that off. Yeah. Oh, I say that, and now I can't even. Guys, when I speed up videos and you hear music and everything, sometimes this is why. Why is that a thing? Why is that stuck? Oh, guys, like, why do they have to do that? That's just hateful. They just don't need to do that. Look at that. It's, okay. Alright, so now we're going to take off this one. This is how real tutorials would be like, guys. You're like, oh, simply do this, simply do that. No, simply don't do anything. You just have to, like, go from one problem, and then you fix that one, and then something else happens. What's going on? This is all going to be worth it. I keep telling myself that. Jay, you made this look so easy. Yeah. Okay. I need a second pair of pliers. That's what I really need. I don't even know where mine are. Okay, we'll just twist it around. And maybe it'll bend on itself. There. Oh, goodness gracious. Okay. We have the chain off. We still need this off, though, I feel like. Okay. That's just going to clip off, right? Okay, goodness people. It really isn't this difficult. Things are just difficult for me. Okay. So now we have a chain and we have a hook for when our thing is dry. Again, I'm back. I'm back before the thing is dry. Okay, I've decided that, man, I really feel like I need to go back and watch Jay's video so I know exactly what to do. I know exactly what to do because she made it look so easy, guys. It is easy. I just make things more complicated sometimes. Okay, so I bent that back so it's secure, okay? And now I've decided that I don't think we need quite all of that length. So, and you could do more than one, you know, whatever. So I am going to actually cut it in half. I'm just going to take it apart. I'm not going to cut it. If you had wire cutters, you could cut it in half. But I'm just going to bend it. Well, we say that, right? We're just going to bend it like it's so easy. It actually isn't that hard. You just need 2 pair of pliers. And so, oh, there, that one made a liar out of me. It was super easy. Okay. So now we have a short one to hang our scale with. There we go. There we go. Okay, I'm going to put our face on. I'm just going to take some Mod Podge I got at the Dollar Tree. Did I show you that? And then I just got this little, it's a bathroom cup. And I always put my paint and different things in here. It makes it a lot easier. And then I'm just going to put it on with a foam brush. And so we're just going to get it all on there. Take it down and I'm going to drill a hole in the top and bottom. I'm going to take that to the garage to do that, but I'll be back and I'll show you exactly what I did. Okay, so I just put a little bitty hole in the top and one on the bottom as well, and that is just to get my chain through. I didn't want anything big, so I didn't want it wiggling around, but that'll be plenty big enough. Okay, so on the top, what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to smash this first link so that I can put it through, just to give it, I could have hooked it somehow, but I really think that this will work better. It just makes it a little bit more stable. Okay, I had to move it out a little bit out of frame there just to get it back, but as you can see, it is perfectly secure. And there we go. There's our hook. Alright, now we're going to do the same with the bottom, but this one's going to be a little bit easier because we're just going to be able to use the hook. Okay, there we go. And then I am going to pinch that down with my pliers so it's tight. Guys, I can't even. Okay, I'm going to have to move the camera so you can see because it's kind of all put together now. And I'm going to have to, oh, well, got to take out the tag and decorate it. Oh my gosh, can't wait to show you. Here. Okay, friends, here's how it turned out. Oh my gosh, I love it. I did end up shortening the chains just a little bit because I wanted it a little bit shorter. But oh my gosh, it's so hard to get in a frame without getting my bookshelf over there. You guys see that in my background all the time. I'm going to hang it down in my kitchen in a little bit. I'll insert a picture. Oh, I love it. I love it. I love it. So here is the final project. I absolutely love it. Guys, this project was a process. You know, sometimes crafting just goes that way, right? Sometimes just everything goes wrong, but even when it does, it can turn out so, so pretty. And I absolutely love this, even though it was a hot mess. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. Bye, guys.